You have to know the ways and tricks of trading with the minimum possible capital. Okay, let's go. This is the first. Choose the best broker that provides SAN or micro accounts with low R, so that we can start trading forex with a capital of 100,000 or $10, so that we can reap profits or up to millions of rupiahs or hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Of course, we have to join first with the best forex broker, and there are those who allow trading with small capital. Some of the best and most available forex brokers operate in Asia, providing accounts trading with beginners who want to trade forex with minimal capital. Type of account provide for beginning traders who want to trade with the minimal capital, $10. It's like SAN or micro accounts. The $10 capital calculation in the SAN account will change to $1,000. In this case, there is an additional 2-digit number 0 behind the $10 capital that you use. And the second, open an account with a leverage of 1 per 500 or up to 1 per 2,000. One other way that you can trade with a small capital of 100 or $10 is by opening a trading account or trading with 1 per 500 leverage or even equal to 1 per 2,000 leverage. Because the capital to be used is too small, then by opening an account with 1 per 500 to 1 per 2,000, then you can trade currency with big lots too. Because leverage is leverage that helps increase your small capital ability to do more transactions with lot of over. Minimum trading capital. And the third is trading focus only on one currency. Okay, just focus only in one currency. And then this is the next of you must know about it. Okay, and then the next is the leverage, because our profits also depend on the spared value of the currencies we trade, and also because our capital factor is also very small. This currency pair with the lowest rate value.